Yes, hello students. The reading of the lesson, the signal 1, is complete, and today we are going to discuss the exercise of the chapter. So, you must know the names of the characters that have come in the chapter, and they are Semyon, Wesley, and Semyon's wife, Irina, and the chief and the inspector. So by now we have done these characters in the chapter, and let us see what are the exercise questions that we can answer. Okay, now come on the page. Now see, it is comprehension. In comprehension, you see, tick the correct option. Semyon had the chance to get acquainted with his neighbors because what was the reason? That he got time to acquaint with his neighbors. So the reasons are, there were fewer jobs to do in the summer, fewer trains used that time, he was neglecting his duty. Both A and B are correct. So our option is D part. Both A and B are correct. I have marked on the right side. A and B both are correct because the fewer jobs to do in the summer season, snow was also not there, and fewer trains used at that time, means the number of trains was also less. Therefore, he got the time to get acquainted with his neighbors. So the answer is D. Both A and B options are correct. Now see second number. Semyon did not encourage Wesley to leave because he thought Wesley. Semyon did not encourage Wesley. He did not encourage him to leave. What was the reason? Would not get a piece of land anywhere else. Had more money. Had more than enough to live on a peacefully. Had his wife had a job. Both the options B and C are correct. Yes, this is the right answer. D part is the right answer. Both B and C options are correct because had more than enough to live on peacefully. He was leading a very peaceful life there, and also the wife had the work to do. The wife had the job. Therefore, D is the right answer. Both options B and C are correct. Now see the third number. When the inspector had seen Wesley cultivated land, he had, what he had done? Told Wesley to dig up all the cabbages. Yes, it was there. Fined Wesley 3 rubles. It is also correct. Made a note against him. It is also correct. So, what is the right answer? All the options are correct. Whatever options are given, 3 options are given here and they all are correct. So, the answer is D part. All the options are correct. He told Wesley to dig up the cabbages. He fined Wesley 3 rubles. And made a note against him. Therefore, inquiry was held. Yeah. Now, 4 number. The chief visited the workers because. What was the reason? He was looking into Wesley's complaint and wanted to meet Wesley. Wanted to check that everything was in order. Both options A and B are correct. So option A and B are correct because the chief wanted to meet Wesley and because he was looking into Wesley's complaint. So what is the right answer? D is the right answer. The options A and B are correct. You will do these questions in your book only. Make a right on the right side. Make a right on the right side, on the right option. Okay? Now you see B part, you have to do in the book only. I have had no little sorrow in my day. So who is the speaker of these lines? The speaker of these lines is Semyon. Who said these words? Semyon. B part. What do these words convey? So these words convey that he was happy there. Which days was he referring to? Which days? When he had no job, he was referring to those days. I have had no little sorrow in my mind. So he had no sorrow for those days when he had no job. Okay? Now come on the second page. On the top you see, Arina, something doesn't seem right about our neighbor. Who was Arina? Arina was Semyon's wife. And who was the neighbor? The neighbor was Wesley. Why do you think the speaker felt that something didn't seem right about their neighbor? So what was the reason why the speaker spoke such type of word? Because Wesley looked upset always. He was angry and he was upset. That's why the speaker spoke such type of words. Now the third question. There will be trouble between them and my neighbor. There will be trouble between them and my neighbor. So who said these words and who is them? So Semyon is the speaker of these words and them is the chief and the inspector. The chief and the inspector, because the chief has come to make an inquiry. When were these words spoken? These words were spoken when the chief went to meet Wesley, and at that time these words were spoken. Why did the speaker think that there would be trouble between them and his neighbor? Why he think? Because Wesley got angry very easily. Wesley remained upset always. He looked very angry. And therefore Simon thought that anything may happen. So now the C part, answer these questions. Who was Semyon Ivanov and how did he get the job of the track walker? So these all questions I will give you in the PDF. So you write them in your notebook and in a very good hand. Okay? So it's bye for today. Bye students.